What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Gloss Garage, where we make detailing simple. My name is Sak, and today I have something special for you guys. So today we're going to be doing a review on the new DIY detail Waffle pad, their Rotary Jeweling Pad. And as you can see, this is a brand new one. Let me just open it up. That way, has the whole DIY detail on the logo. It has an actual center hole for better ventilation and cooling. This is the prototype that Ivan was nice enough to go ahead and gift, but this is pretty much the same thing, but this is a dedicated review on the final product, and we're gonna go ahead and see if there's any noticeable difference. Everything looks pretty much the same except with the face and the backing plate, or not the backing plate, the Velcro with the DIY detail logo and the center hole to go ahead and just give better ventilation. But this is pretty much just, you know, a quick review. My wife and I, we're gonna go ahead and polish this brand new 2023 Nissan Rogue, and we're just gonna do a quick review on this. Now, we're really just gonna go ahead and enhance the gloss and, you know, gloss and shine, and that's about it. We're gonna do a two-step on the piano black trim just because of the simple fact that there is swirls and scratches, and we will be adding the Owner's Pride self-healing ceramic coating on the piano black trim. So you guys can see there, hopefully you guys see that. We're going to be adding that on the piano black trim, but on the next video we're also going to be showcasing how to install the Owner's Pride 7-year ceramic coating, which we're going to put on the entire car. That way it stays shiny, glossy, and protected for a very long time. So that's pretty much the video. All the products will be down below in the description. Specifically for this video will be, like I said, dedicated on the DIY detail gold standard polish. With the waffle pad and the rest of the car, we may do a little bit of a quick two-step, if anything. My wife's gonna be using the rotary, so you guys will be able to see her use the rotary. It's not hard. My wife is back, so we'll be done doing this vehicle as quick as possible. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right, so here is a dedicated review on the new Waffle Rotary Jeweling Pad from DIY Detail. And here's my wife using the rotary. She's literally just using one hand straight, no pressure whatsoever, just guiding the rotary, and that's all that's needed, right? We're going for gloss, we're going for shine, and that's practically what we're going for, just to make things pretty much as glossy as possible. And can you use this DIY detail jeweling pad with a DA? You absolutely can. Later in the video you'll see me use a 15mm DA, the SPTA cordless, where I did a two-step on the gloss black trim, and it just came out still phenomenal, pretty much perfect. And like I said, the rotary is not hard to use. My wife is using it. She's an amazing detailer, and as you can see here, just look at the gloss, the shine, and everything that's happening on the paint. If you really want the most shine and depth of gloss, the rotary is the way to go, especially with this jeweling pad and the gold standard polish as well. You could use any type of polish that you want, because the jeweling pad will work with any polish, but this was just a great 1-2 combo, and it even gives a shinier depth of gloss even on this white paint, right? And also, just to give you guys a heads up, we only have one rotary, so my wife and I were sharing the rotary. While she was using the rotary on the rest of the car, I was going ahead and doing the two-step on the gloss black pillars. That way we could go ahead and get that perfect finish before we apply that self-healing ceramic coating. And this is me on one side, just super easy to use, right? It's just zero pressure, speed setting 1, and literally hologram free. It's that simple. 2 to 3 passes and we enhanced the gloss tenfold, and it even had those little light water spots on the paint, just because of the simple fact that it was sitting outside in the parking lot at the dealership for at least a couple of months. So we went ahead and prepped the vehicle from A to Z using the iron remover, water spot remover, or spotless from Owner's Pride, the iron remover from DIY Detail, and we use extra tough APC as an APC rinse, and that's pretty much it. And we also use the Car Pro D scale to go ahead and demineralize the water spots as well. And this is me using the waffle pad, the red DIY detail waffle pad on the B pillar here. And as you can see, first I am using the gold standard polish with the actual wool pad from DIY Detail, and you will see the nice little haze. It's scratch free, right? It's pretty much perfect, but you still see a little bit of marring and hazing, but we're gonna go ahead and refine that polish to make it look absolutely perfect. And that's about it, right? It just looks beautiful. It's just speed setting 4. That's what I use, and that's it. Just a perfect depth of gloss finish, as you can see right here. And that's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this type of content. I know it's a super short video, but there's only so much you could really say on a polishing pad. And yeah, so I will see you guys on the next one. All the products will be down below, and you guys could go ahead and use code DMS at checkout for 10% off any DIY detail products. And see you in the outro. All right, everyone, so the vehicle is looking super shiny, super glossy, just completely stunning. And we did this all with the DIY detail rotary waffle pad. So it's just an amazing waffle pad. And this is the one that I used before when they gave me the prototype one. As you can see, it doesn't have the center hole, but it's still practically literally the same exact pad. It just works amazing. We did it with the gold standard polish, and it also works well with the DA. I showed you guys the clip when I did it on the side of the black piano trim. We used it with a DA. Is it meant to be used with a DA? No, but that doesn't mean it cannot be used with it. If you're using like an 8mm, 9mm throw, the jeweling pad will work just fine. Literally no issues. And this is the 5-inch one. So, and then this is a 6-inch one. So the 5-inch one, I used it with the DA. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy this type of content. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me turn the camera around so you could go ahead and see how the vehicle looks. And this is everything afterwards. The gloss, the shine. And yep, so that was all with the rotary jeweling pad from DIY Detail. So hope you guys enjoy this type of content. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.